How to send money to Bangladesh using TapTap Send. Download and install the TapTap Send app. Open your TapTap Send app. Click on the Sign Up option. Enter your full legal name and click the Next button. Enter your email address and password. And confirm your password by typing it in this box. Select your country from this drop-down right here. And type your phone number in the space. Now, enter your OTP here to verify your mobile phone number and click Next. Select the country where you'd like to send your money. I'll select Bangladesh here. Enter the amount of money you'd like to send here, and you'll see the conversion happen here. You can also see the exchange rate here. You can use my promo code here, so you'll get $20 when you sign up. Click on the Next button down here. On this page, allow TapTap Send to access your contacts. Give them permission by clicking right here. You can also create a new recipient by clicking on Add New Recipient here. Select your payout method. I'll select BKash here. Enter your recipient's full name here. Enter the recipient's BKash account. Click Next. Enter your full address here and click Next. Enter your card information here and click Save. If everything is correct, click the Send button. Enter your password here to confirm your password. You will receive a copy of your transaction. Take a screenshot for documentation of your expense or for future use. So that's how you transfer money using the TapTap Send app. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.